heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 2 inches of rain have already fallen over Chatham and Lee counties, and flash flooding is expected to begin there shortly. The heavy rainfall will move into the Triangle area over the next hour or two, resulting in flash flooding across Wake, Durham, Orange, and Alamance counties through the afternoon. Some locations that will experience flooding include Raleigh, Durham, Cary, Chapel Hill, Burlington, Sanford, Graham, Hillsborough, Pittsboro, and Siler City. Additional rainfall amounts of 2 to 4 inches are possible in the warned area. Excessive runoff from the heavy rain will cause flash flooding of creeks and streams, roads, low-lying and poor drainage areas. Do not drive your vehicle into areas where water covers the road. Many roads and intersections in the area will quickly flood. When encountering flooded roads, turn around, don't drown. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Stay away or be swept away. River banks and culverts can become unstable and unsafe. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Alamance, Chatham, Durham, Lee, Orange, and Wake. National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Vance County, Granville County, Wake County, Eastern Chatham County, Franklin County, until 6:15 p.m. At 4:41 p.m., a line of damaging winds mixing south along the western side of Tropical Storm Michael were located along a line extending from 6 miles northeast of Roxborough through Wisconsin near Carrboro, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. This line of 45 to 60 miles per hour winds have produced extensive wind damage across portions of southeastern Virginia and western North Carolina. A quick spin-up tornado also can't be ruled out. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, emergency management. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Raleigh, Cary, Henderson, Oxford, Creedmoor, Lewisburg, Wake Forest, Garner, Fuquay Varina, and Butner. Straight line winds can blow down trees, power lines, and damage mobile homes and other buildings. Seek shelter in a sturdy structure until the storm has passed. Stay away from windows as flying debris generated by damaging winds can be deadly. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Chatham, Franklin, Granville, Vance, and Wake. National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Wayne County, Sampson County, Johnston County, Wilson County, until 6:30 p.m. At 5:04 p.m., a line of damaging winds mixing south along the western side of Michael were pushing southeast along a line extending from near Angiers through Godwin to 8 miles south of Fayetteville, moving east at 30 miles per hour. This line of wind gusts has a history of producing extensive wind damage to structures and can persist for up to 30 minutes. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated and emergency management reported. Impact, expect damage to roof, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Goldsboro, Smithfield, Clinton, Wilson, Clayton, Mount Olive, Benson, Elm City, Fremont, and Walnut Creek. Straight line winds can blow down trees, power lines, and damage mobile homes and other buildings. Seek shelter in a sturdy structure until the storm has passed. Stay away from windows as flying debris generated by damaging winds can be deadly. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Johnston, Sampson, Wayne, and Wilson. National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Warren County, Nash County, Edgecombe County, Halifax County, Central Franklin County, until 6:45 p.m. At 5:20 p.m., a line of damaging winds mixing south south along the western side of Michael were located along a line extending from 6 miles southeast of Heidelberg through Creedmoor to near Fuquay, Varina, moving east at 25 miles per hour. This line of wind gusts have produced extensive wind damage, and the high wind gusts could last for up to 30 minutes. An isolated spin-up tornado is also not out of the question. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Rocky Mount, Roanoke Rapids, Tarboro, Nashville, Lewisburg, Warrenton, Halifax, Scotland Neck, Norlina, and Dorches. Straight line winds can blow down trees, power lines, and damage mobile homes and other buildings. Seek shelter in a sturdy structure until the storm has passed. Stay away from windows as flying debris generated by damaging winds can be deadly. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Edgecombe, Franklin, Halifax, Nash, and Warren.